All right, Jesse, this is for you, piece of shit. You ever heard of the Coriolis effect, where we're supposed to have a counterclockwise swirl on the fucking top of the North American hemisphere, or the northern hemisphere, where North America here is? This has been getting stronger for the last couple of months, and if you might notice, it's going against the Coriolis effect. Down to second fucking layer of atmosphere. Third layer, now you get to your jet stream. Here's Mother Earth's counterclockwise swirl on the pole. Do you see that, Jesse? That's two full atmospheres of compression. That's why your human frequency is spiking. You fuck nut. It isn't CERN, you dog pile piece of shit. Your fucking research sucks. That's all I got for you. You see that? There is no buffer zones between fucking atmospheres levels anymore. Your jet stream is being punched right to the ground. That's why your storms are fucking getting crazy. Maybe you should start watching me, Jesse. We've been monitoring this for quite some time. I tried to warn you about it a long time ago, dude. And you sold out, Jesse. You sold out, and you started feeding people bullshit. Right about the time of Comet Ison. Remember that, Jesse? They approached you, and you changed your entire fucking format, and you haven't stopped lying since. People sent me to you, Jesse. This is why I'm here talking to you, boy. These fires began a couple months ago, dude. Now Siberia is raging. Europe is being evacuated. They have fires in Turkey, that record fires over here in Jersey, the Land of Lakes. They just had floods and they're having fires. Jesse, it's not because of CERN. It's nothing man did. Failing crops have been happening for 3 years because the UV is insane at night. We have an ultraviolet sun behind us. Period. Remember the CMEs you used to report on, Jesse? Well, guess what? One of them spat out that guy. You see it? Huh? Did you see Ra just pop right in there like he belonged there from behind the planet? Let's see if I can get him to stop again. Probably not. There's a CME that went on all day, and we got the magnet signature of Ra out of this. You know, kind of amazing shit right there. There he is. See the IMF lines coming out from the back? That's classic, not Earth's. That's not blowback from Earth's magnetosphere, making this that was carved in every stone that wouldn't roll fast enough in warning, not worship, Jesse. This is an ultraviolet blue sun, blue Kachina, the dark star, because it's a black light. You can't see it. It's too high frequency for your eyeballs. Funny, your third eye, though. That thing is an ultraviolet sensitive organ hooked up to your ocular nerves because we were actually created on the sun. Every legend says so. We're going back to the sun. Every legend says so. Guess what? We've got two suns in front of us with massive planets surrounding us. We've got one pushing behind us. Is that the position you want to be in? Oh no. We need to be behind the king of all suns, her father, her original son, Blue Kachina. Are you ready for that ride? Why are you not telling your people about that? You're acting like CERN, something on the planet, can actually influence the outer magnetosphere. Not everybody's that stupid. People come flooding to me when you started saying stupid shit like that, Jesse. None of this is caused by a machine inside this sphere. This is pressure from the outside, you fucking idiot. You think people are that stupid, Jesse? Do a little bit of research, boy. Cherenkov radiation is sky blue, and it's real thick up there, bud. It's so thick that it's now that the atmosphere is being compressed, it's being pushed into the water. Did you know the oceans are turning blue? They're blaming cow farts, kind of like the same reason they're blaming the Earth's axis shifted. Did you see that, Jesse? Remember me bugging the hell out of you about the moon doing a cartwheel, Jesse? Because the Earth's axis had shifted? Popular mechanics realized it. You never have. You've never told anybody. You've hidden the fact. Or did you overlook it, Jesse, and you want people to believe you about the magnetosphere and CERN now? Boy, you're embarrassing.